When you think about Christmas, one of the first things that comes to mind is that warm, magical feeling that seems to fill every corner of a home. And the truth is, a big part of that feeling comes from decorations. Decorating your home for Christmas is not just about making things look pretty. It's about creating an atmosphere, an experience, and even emotions that you and everyone around you can truly feel. One of the biggest benefits of Christmas decorations is how they instantly transform your space. A home that may feel ordinary during the rest of the year suddenly becomes cozy, festive, and full of life. Lights, ornaments, textures, and colors all work together to create a completely different environment. And what's even more special is that this transformation doesn't require a complete renovation. Small details like string lights, candles, or a simple wreath can already make a huge difference. There's also a strong emotional impact. Decorating for Christmas can bring a sense of joy, nostalgia, and comfort. It reminds people of childhood memories, family traditions, and special moments shared with loved ones. Even if someone lives alone, decorating their space can create a sense of companionship and warmth that makes the season feel less lonely and much more meaningful. Another important advantage is how decorations help set the mood for gatherings. Whether you're hosting a small dinner or a larger celebration, a decorated home automatically feels more welcoming. Guests feel the effort, the care, and the intention behind every detail. It creates an environment where people feel relaxed, happy, and more connected to each other. Now, when it comes to actually decorating, one of the best pieces of advice is to start with a clear vision. Think about the mood you want to create. Do you want something elegant and sophisticated, or something playful and colorful? Maybe you prefer a more natural and rustic style. Choosing a theme or color palette helps everything feel cohesive instead of random. For example, if you go for a classic look, you can never go wrong with reds, greens, and golds. These colors instantly evoke that traditional Christmas feeling. On the other hand, if you want something more modern, you might choose whites, silvers, and soft neutrals for a clean and elegant atmosphere. And if you're looking for something cozy, earthy tones combined with natural elements like wood, pine cones, and greenery can create a very warm and inviting space. Lighting is another key element that you should never underestimate. Christmas lights are not just decorative, they completely change how a space feels. Warm white lights create a soft, relaxing glow, while colorful lights bring energy and playfulness. You can place them on your tree, around windows, along staircases, or even inside glass jars for a more creative touch. The Christmas tree, of course, is often the centerpiece of the entire decoration. But instead of just placing ornaments randomly, think of it as a design opportunity. Try layering different textures and sizes. Combine large statement ornaments with smaller details. Add ribbons, garlands, or even flowers to give it more depth. And don't forget the base of the tree. A tree skirt or decorative basket can make everything look more polished and complete. Another great idea is to decorate beyond the obvious areas. Many people focus only on the living room, but adding small touches to other spaces can make your entire home feel festive. Think about your dining table, your bedroom, or even your bathroom. A simple centerpiece, a few ornaments, or a holiday-themed towel can carry that Christmas feeling throughout your home. Scent is something that people often overlook, but it plays a huge role in creating atmosphere. The smell of pine, cinnamon, vanilla, or baked goods can instantly make your home feel like Christmas. You can use candles, essential oils, or even natural elements like orange slices and cloves to bring those scents into your space. One of the most beautiful aspects of decorating is that it can become a tradition in itself. Taking the time to decorate each year can be something you look forward to. It can be a moment to slow down, to be creative, and to enjoy the process instead of just the result. And if you share that experience with family or friends, it becomes even more special. It's also worth mentioning that decorating doesn't have to be expensive. You can create stunning decorations with simple, affordable materials. DIY projects like handmade ornaments, paper decorations, or repurposed items can add a very personal and unique touch to your home. In fact, sometimes those handmade pieces become the most meaningful ones. Balance is another important factor. While it's tempting to decorate every corner, it's better to focus on key areas and let them stand out. Too many decorations can feel overwhelming, while a well-balanced space feels intentional and harmonious. Pay attention to spacing, colors, and how everything works together. And as you go deeper into decorating, you start to realize that it's not just about filling spaces, It's about telling a story. Every corner of your home can reflect a feeling, a memory, or even a dream of what Christmas means to you. Maybe it's a quiet, peaceful retreat filled with soft lights and gentle textures, or maybe it's a vibrant, joyful space full of color and energy. There's something incredibly powerful about being able to shape your environment in a way that reflects your inner world. One thing that can truly elevate your decorations is layering. Instead of placing single items in isolation, think about combining elements in a way that creates depth. For example, on a coffee table, you might place a tray, then add candles of different heights, maybe a small garland, and a few ornaments scattered naturally. This kind of layering makes everything feel more intentional and visually interesting, almost like a scene rather than just decoration. Textures also play a huge role in how your home feels during Christmas. Soft blankets, fluffy pillows, knitted fabrics, and even materials like wood or metal can add richness to your space. When you combine textures, you create contrast, and that contrast is what makes a room feel dynamic and cozy at the same time. Imagine sitting on a sofa with a warm blanket, surrounded by soft lighting and natural elements. That's the kind of atmosphere people remember. Another beautiful idea is to bring the outdoors inside. Natural elements like pine branches, eucalyptus, berries, or even simple twigs can add a fresh and authentic touch to your decorations. They not only look beautiful but also connect your home with the season in a very organic way. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Sometimes a simple arrangement of greenery on a table or hanging on a door can have a powerful impact. Your entryway is also something you should pay attention to. It's the first impression of your home, and during Christmas, it can set the tone for everything else. A wreath, some lights, maybe a small decorative sign, or even a basket with seasonal elements can instantly create that welcoming feeling. It's like telling anyone who walks in, this is a place filled with warmth and celebration. When it comes to your dining area, think about how you can make everyday meals feel a little more special. You don't need a big event to decorate your table. A simple centerpiece, coordinated napkins, or even a few candles can turn a regular dinner into something memorable. It's these small details that slowly build the overall experience of the season. Another thing to consider is how your decorations look both during the day and at night. Natural daylight can highlight colors and textures, while nighttime lighting creates mood and ambience. Try to balance both. During the day, let your decorations feel fresh and lively, and at night, let them glow and feel magical. This contrast adds another layer of enjoyment to your home. There's also something very special about incorporating personal elements into your decorations. Photos, meaningful objects, or items you've collected over time can make your space feel truly unique. Instead of copying what you see everywhere, you're creating something that tells your story. And those are the kinds of spaces that people connect with the most. And finally, remember that your home should reflect you. There's no single correct way to decorate for Christmas. What matters most is that it feels right to you. Whether your style is simple or extravagant, traditional or modern, the goal is to create a space where you feel happy, comfortable, and inspired. At the end of the day, Christmas decorations are about much more than aesthetics. They're about creating memories, expressing creativity, and bringing warmth into your home. They turn ordinary moments into something special, and they remind us of what this season is really about: connection, joy, and the simple beauty of being surrounded by a space that feels alive with meaning. So as you start thinking about your own decorations, don't just focus on how things look. Think about how they make you feel, how they bring people together, and how they transform your home into a place where the spirit of Christmas truly lives.